Divine's Blessing, Divine's Love Seminar. I'm AMRITA VIMALA. Meditation is the science which teaches us how to get internal perceptions. The science of meditation, in the first place, proposes to give us such a mean of observing the internal states. The instrument is the mind itself. The power of attention, when properly guided and directed towards the internal world, will analyze the mind. The power of mind are like the light dissipated when they are concentrated. This is our only mean of knowledge. Everyone is using it both in external and internal world. Our childhood upward, we have been taught to only pay attention to the things external, but never to think internal. Hence, most of us have been lost our observing the internal mechanism. All miseries comes from fear, from unsatisfied external desires. There is only one method by which to attain knowledge, that is internal, that is concentration. Concentration means focus your heart and focus your work. The chemist in the library concentrates all the energies of his mind into one focus, and through them upon the material he is analyzed, and so find what their secrets. Likewise, we should focus our work with internal. I can concentrate my thought on the matter on which I am talking to you. You are listening to me, and the more you concentrate your thoughts, the more clearly you will grasp what I have said. This is also meditation. The strength and focus comes through concentrations. That is also a kind of meditations. According to meditations, believe nothing until you find it for yourself. That is what it teaches us. Meditations takes a long time and constant practice. A part of this practice is physical, but in the main, it is mental. As we proceed, we shall find how intimately the mind is connected with the body. If we believe that the mind is simply a finer part of the body, and that mind acts upon the body, then it stands to reason that the body must react upon the mind. Example, if the body is sick, the mind becomes sick also. If the body is healthy, the mind also remains healthy and strong. When one is angry, the mind becomes disturbed. Similarly, when the mind is disturbed, the body also disturbed. The majority of mankind is greatly under the control of the body, their mind being very little developed. When the body is sufficiently controlled, we can attempt the manipulations of the mind. By manipulating the mind, we can able to bring it under our control, make it work as we desire, and compelled to concentrate its power as we desire. Dear students, please practice this in your life. This video is the first part of the meditations and of the concentration's power. In next videos, I will say more about meditations and concentration's power. Please share, subscribe and click bell icon to receive all my positive videos. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.